hairstyles lovers, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, nice to meet you. I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. Because Thanksgiving and Christmas are on the corner, I decided to make some holiday hairstyles for you, for those girls with very long hair or for those who wear E-litchi hollow hair extensions like I did today. Because my hair is not that thick and long, I decided to wear E-litchi hollow extensions 22 inches platinum blonde. I did wash it with some purple shampoo and it's perfect color for my hair. This is the hair extension that I would recommend to use because it's less time consuming. You put it on in 3 seconds and you're ready to do your hairstyle or go out. And I have Awesome Hairstyles channel live, another channel where I'm sharing basically my life and things that I get in the mail, so make sure to check it out as well and know me better. You know what? I want to tell you one thing. No matter what skin type you have, no matter what hair length and color you have, you are beautiful and I love you. But without trembling, let's get started right into our hair tutorial.
First we'll select our crown section and we will make with it a ponytail. Make sure to loosen your crown like that. Then you want to grab another 2 sections near our crown section and we want to tie over crown section another ponytail. Then you want to loosen a bit and twist it like I'm showing. Then you want to pull the first crown ponytail through this opening, tighten it, and voila, your elastic is hidden. Basically you can leave it like a half updo like that, but I'll take a step further and I'll make another ponytail right below first one like I'm showing, creating this bubble. Then you want to grab a section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the elastic to hide it. Then I'll use this tool, but actually you can tuck it into the elastic underneath this section of hair to hide the elastic. Either way is easier. I just wanted to try this tool too. So we want to repeat these steps. We want to make another bubble, pull it a bit, and then you want to hide the elastic. So you want to continue making these bubbles how many you would like to see, and you're basically done. I love it. It's so romantic, but half of your hair is down, so I love it. Here I'm showing you how I'm taking out the elastics. You'll not remain bald after this, so I'm bringing my fingers through the elastic and then I'm using the scissors only for the elastic, not for the hair. So for the next hairstyle we want to make 3 equal ponytails like I'm showing, using some clear elastic. Like that. Then we want to make an opening through one of the ponytail and bring the ponytail through this opening, loosen a bit your created topsy tail and repeat with ponytails left like that. When you are happy with your result, make sure to grab one of your ponytail, tie an elastic right below your topsy tail, make an opening and flip it and loosen your created topsy tail. So we want to repeat it. I'll make 3 topsy tails from this section. You can make 4 depending on how long and thick your hair is. I'll loosen it of course too. So we want to repeat these steps with all our ponytails. One, second one, and third one is the same. Now you want to make a 3-strand braid from these created topsy tails, like that. And then you want to tie the ends with a clear elastic again. Then you want to grab a bobby pin and bring these first sections together so there are no gaps, and pin it like that, and you're done. So for the next hairstyle, oh my god, that's I think my favorite. You want to grab again your crown section and tie it using a clear elastic. Loosen a bit your crown section again to make it effortless and loose looking. Then you want to add more hair to this ponytail and tie again an elastic and make from the ponytail a bubble, like I'm showing only the hair from the crown section, meaning. So again you want to add more hair, tie again an elastic, make sure that your ponytail is even, and then again you want to loosen it. Then again you want to add more hair to this created bubbly ponytail. Pull it a bit again, make sure it's even. You can leave it as it is, but I decided to make it a little more glam looking. So I added these clips and I'm ready to go.
I really hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Make sure to check out my Awesome Hairstyles live channel and E-litchi website and see their beautiful hair extensions. I hope that you'll have amazing holidays, but with these hairstyles, I'm sure you'll look bomb. And as I said, you are beautiful no matter what, and I love you. See you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!